Welcome to Carter & Haynes. This is our 2020 BMW 330i Edition Sport M Sports. We do get some cracking cars here at Carter & Haynes, and this one is beautiful. As you can see from the photos, it has the gloss black kit that we have added with the grills on it already. Sorry, the bottom lip. The side skirts, we'll go around the back in a minute, with 19-inch alloys. Got the rear spoiler, rear diffuser. This car really does have a phenomenal specification as well over the standard edition spec. This car has Harman Kardon Stereo. It has head-up display. We have the ProNav. We have heated seats. We also have inside there, we have the wireless charging, and we have heated steering wheel on this car. It really does have a massive specification on it. There we go. It's lovely throughout. Check the description for the full spec. We do offer finance, take part exchange. If you call us on 01244 570 814, or go to our website www.carteredhaynes.co.uk. Thanks for looking.